might need to turn your...
I had to move the mic closer.
Oh, okay. You can turn up the mic sensitivity too. Good tools and options.
It's kind of hard to smoke a cigarette at the same time.
Because yeah, you're really quiet in game, and when they're talking, I can't hear you at all.
Clint's keeping him distracted, so you guys should like.
Oh, we're at the exit.
Is that the? Oh, okay. One of the
Wait
exits.
for the cops. One of the exits, yeah.
Yeah. Clint's like just building hopping.
Nice.
So I can't see the map anymore.
Oh yeah, you're scared. Is your light on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't always. I see you in that cabin moving in circles.
Just keep juking him, dude. He's not good.
Oh no, but he saw that coming. Oh, he not.
Oh my god.
Hey.
What happened?
Happened.
No, unacceptable. You saw what I saw, right, Clint?
What? I stunned him?
You got scared by a body right next to him.
Ah, oh, damn it. But that's still there then. Not cool.
Like, he had stunned Jason and he ran about 5 feet from him and got scared by a body.
1 minute to go.
Yep.
Yeah, 1 minute to go. He's still.
I say, actually, there's a random, isn't there? Yeah, the Chinese dude.
Clint's playing. Needs so much time, guys. Oh wait.
Oh, I know. He's buying us the
No way,
entire
he
time.
left, right?
Did he leave?
No.
He might have
No.
he
No.
has stock. So hey, Dan, let's get by the exit. Debating if we should like wait here and see if he spawns here and then buy Clint some time.
No, he's hunting him right now. Like he's on his ass.
No, I know, but I mean like if the cops come here instead of leaving right away.
There we go. I got it.
And
Tell me where the police are.
they're here. They're here. Nice.
Oh shit! It just
They
pulled
are
me
south
right in.
southeast.
Pulled me right in.
Oh shoot. Yep. I got a little too close. Okay, well. I was trying to get a little closer in case he TP'd right there. Yeah. Well, Clint, thank you.
Got 3 minutes.
That was like all you on that one. Actually, Dan, you too, man. You guys with the freaking
No,
nukes.
he's paying it. He's paying it forward, Tyler. I bought him time to call the cops. He bought you time to get away with the cops.
Oh, damn!
Yeah. Nice.
You fucked him
Beat
up.
There's no weapon though.
I don't think he's even trying to get away at this point. He's just trying to buy time. Hey, dude, if you can survive for
2.5 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah,
2 minutes,
there's a wrench
grab a
down
new
there.
weapon. There's
There's
another
a
weapon
wrench
on the
on. There's a wrench on that.
Where? I can't see.
On the box, right there.
On the box. Yeah.
Oh man. That's awesome.
But he's probably gonna get
And there's a
the.
fucking pot in there.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I think the pots, from what I heard, are pretty OP as well.
The pot.
should have rage by
And
now.
pots and pans.
Should have rage by now.
Yeah, maybe
Oh,
he
that
doesn't
was
know
not a
about
good
it.
move.
No,
Yeah, that was.
Oh my god,
he
dude.
fucking got him again.
Oh my
Which way am I
god.
going? Am I going the right way?
It's southeast.
Yep, that's the right
Yep,
way.
yep,
You
there it is,
see
there it
him.
is, there it is. Yep.
Yeah, it's
Dude.
right there.
He's standing up.
And he is...
He's walking.
He's gone, he's
teleporting.
gone. Yep. He might be shifting. Watch out for the shift grab. Just, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're good.
Nope,
Get out
nope,
now.
he's gonna
Oh,
teleport.
yeah,
He's teleporting.
no, he's good, he's
Nope,
good, he's
you're
good.
gone.
I got it.
Good.
Dude, Clint.
Oh my
Freaking
God.
all-star, man.
G fucking G.
Oh.